Enjoy the tour. Please call me for more info, or if you would like a personal tour, call 941-538-7414. Please view the 360 walkthrough virtual tour and drone video attached. Want a place that is very quiet but in the middle of everywhere? Here it is. This ranch-style pool home features vaulted ceilings and lots of space. Love your new screened-in pool area that opens right up to the living areas of the home. Master Suite features a full slider that walks out to the pool area, a private bath with double sinks and separate toilet area along with his and her closets. 2 more bedrooms feature a split bedrooms floor plan with room for everyone. New carpet in bedrooms and ceramic and wood tile floors in the remaining part of the home. Plant shelves in great room along large sliding glass doors that open up to the pool area, adding more SQF to you lifestyle. Updated fully equipped kitchen area that opens to both a dining room and living room area with breakfast bar, white cabinets and ceramic backsplash. Laundry room has full-size washer and dryer. Large lot with a large 2-car garage. Other features include open entry floor plan with transom window up above entry door. White 6-panel doors, garage door opener and touchless keypad. Pool heater. Modern and bright home. New paint, new faucet.